Good morning, Stephanie Cameraman, the Stock Whisperer, here to tell you the whisper of the day. But before we get to today's whisper, you know what? We got to talk about yesterday. So yesterday had my eye on two stocks. First one was AMD. If you recall, we spotted a buyer on the ECN book at $14.03. And I said, only if it can stay above that would I be bullish. Bearish below 14. And you can see, as soon as the market opened up, AMD fell all the way down to about this 1350 level. And my traders were rocking that in the Java pit on the short side. Also, had our eye on natural gas. Pre-market price action. If you recall, we had those prints at $6.38. I was only bullish above 650. You can see never went above. In fact, fell down and still moving lower. This was a great short yesterday. However, UNG is definitely a little bit slow, so my traders prefer UGAS and DGAS. That's the Bayer ETF. So my traders were hot, but one in particular, his name is Ron. We call him the Wall Street Wiz. He rocked those E-mini futures. Wow, Ron. Love watching you trade those. Keep it up. All right, so what are we watching today? A lot of things, you guys. First thing, we had some very unusual prints yesterday on Gap stores. About 2 million were coming in at $23.75. All right, so I'm going to just draw a line there on my chart where the prints were. And I do like to go up, bullish above, bearish below. So bullish above 23.87, but even 24. Right, key level, and bearish below 23.60. I actually put a strangle on this. A lot of times when I see big prints and I'm not sure direction, I'm just going for volatility, but I will add onto the right side. So you can see the bid is 23.75. Let's see if that holds up today, but definitely worth watching. I know the earnings are coming out sometime next week. Don't stay in it into the earnings, but could have a nice move before. Also watching today, UAA. If you were in the trading room this morning at around 6 o'clock in the morning, I gave you a great lesson, actually 7:30. Great lesson in refreshing on the bid. They were adding to the bid side at $18.50. And then I took it up, and then we spotted some sellers. You can see these prints coming in at 20. So they were buying at 18.50, selling at 20. Definitely use those levels. If it breaks above 20, that would be bullish. And of course, breaking below 18.50 would be bearish. But we could get some really large prints as well. So definitely watch my dark pool Twitter feed there. Okay, I'll be printing out anything if it comes in big. Also, Pandora came out with earnings, and 850. Key level to watch. All right, going to be bearish below 850 on that. Also this morning, I spotted a seller on the ECN book on BP at $36.44. That's where the big seller was. A lot of times you see their hand way before the market. Let me just see if he's there now. He might have moved, but they come back. He's not there now. Now there's actually a seller at 32, but definitely that 44 level is key. Now a Scooter, aka Cousin It, in our trading room noticed some abnormal market on close dark pool prints yesterday. Normally we don't pay attention to them, but this was a lot. After the close, the SPY traded about 15 million, 246.71. I'm going to draw a line there and keep this as a marker today. If we break, 246.71 all the way over here. Sorry about that. Yeah, if we break below that, going to be very bearish. Also, she spotted some unusual activity on EEM, 40 million. Actually, more than 40 million traded yesterday. Definitely highly unusual volume coming in at this 43.80 level. So definitely use that as a market today. Come watch me trade these stocks and so many more all day long at the Java Pit Trading. I'm at www.thestockwhisperer.com. Happy trading, everybody.
Turn to